So there are two Merlion at the park. One, of course, is this baby one, baby Merlion. I love the baby one actually as well, even though the the adult Merlion got all the attention. All right, but I would like everyone to also pay attention to the baby Merlion too. Yes. So this is actually made of porcelain plates. Yes, beautiful. I'm so glad I could zoom in for all of us to have a closer look at the baby Merlion. And someone asked me, is the Merlion male or female? Until now, we still have no idea. But we do know, all right, the lion head symbolize, all right, Singapore as a lion city. I'm sorry, I can't do it vertical because I actually have my what do you call that? My wireless microphone on, so I have attachment, so I can't do it. But I'll try my very best to give you a clear picture. All right, a good picture of the baby Merlion. But thank you, painting the Merlion. Wow, guys, I can get a bit closer so that you can see the special decoration of Merlion tonight. And you can see they have imprinted 50. All right, 50. Beautiful. So this is a special night for Merlion as he celebrates his 50th birthday. Yeah. I hope the lights. Okay, the signal is not very. Merlion has been here since 1972, all right, and definitely it has witnessed the changes of Marina Bay area for the past 50 years. It's 9 meters, all right, 9 meters, about 70 tons, yeah, and of course today it's very hardworking. Thrashing the water. Oh, I love to show you guys the changes I have to get a bit closer so you guys can see the beautiful details. Beautiful. I think this is really beautiful. You can imagine, all right, looking from afar, like for example, if you are at the Marina Bay Sands Hotel right opposite, you still can see the Merlion from the hotel room. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Wow, I love the colors. Look at the colors. So this will go on for a month. And we are so glad, all right, that we are able to organize it. Wow, guys, look at it. All right, the Merlion and the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. So that is Marina Bay Sands Hotel for some. Yes, nice view, right? Nori. Okay, I'm going to go over the other side. You can see everyone is very busy taking photos with the Merlion. I will give you a 360 degrees view of the Merlion. Wow. I cannot imagine, all right, this coming weekend, this place will be very crowded. All right. Okay, let me close up, see whether I could say dangerous. It's quite dangerous to step there. Okay. All right. Very nice. I will take some photographs. Okay, I will share it on the Heygo Facebook as well. Right? Yes. Midori, he had hard work since 50 years and he still looks so glamorous, especially tonight. Okay? Especially tonight. Wow. Let me try it, okay? Let me try see how far I can get into to see the lights because there are people sitting around and it's not very like this. So you guys can see the colors changing, isn't it? So it was a, it was part of the hotel suite back at the art festival. All right, I tried to book, but no luck. It was all booked out instantly. All right, one turned into gold color. Wow, a sea of gold, guys. This is really very special. Of course, it must have got to do with the garden city. Singapore is a garden city. Look at it. Wow, beautiful. Oh, guys. Wow. Isn't it awesome? Awesome, right? How are we enjoying the tour so far? And so it has copyright. It has copyright. Yeah. So in Singapore, we only have 6 official Merlion statues, okay? Right? So you cannot produce your own Merlion for commercial use, all right? You need to get permission from the Singapore Tourism Board. Welcome, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Merlion. Happy birthday to you. I will sing, okay? I will Great. So for those who are first time enjoying the tour, all right, at Marina Bay, this is the most popular spot and the most beautiful spot in Singapore City. Place part, you can see from here. Wow, everything looks so shiny and golden in Marina Bay today, tonight. Look at the colors. Yeah. Yes, indeed, Maple. But I think the lights are very nice. Very nice. After this tour, I'm going to take some photographs. I'm going to share it on Heygo Facebook as well. But it has never been so beautiful. Only for his birthday. You are a postcard expert. And I'm so one is very excited. Oh, look at this view of Marina Bay. Yeah. So that is where the hotel, the casino, the convention center, the shopping mall, as well as one beautiful art science museum is located. So